welcome to the Studio Kitchen with me, Chef D. Great ingredients, simple ingredients are better with Bothwell cheese. Bothwell medium cheddar, we're going to make a squash salad. We're in that season, the fall. Squash are coming in all the time. And what we've done here is we've taken our baking sheet, we've lined it with parchment paper, we cut our acorn squash, a little bit of salt and pepper, just a touch of olive oil. We've roasted it 350 for about 20 to 22 minutes, and you have this perfect squash, nice and tender. Around our bowl, I have some microgreens. We're going to put in the middle some diced asparagus, some peas, some peppers, and some beautiful Bothwell medium cheddar. We've julienned it. Lay that over the salad. Drizzle it with a balsamic glaze. Lunch or start of a meal, it truly is better with Bothwell cheese.